Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You're starting in Settings. Open Accounts now and pick the Google account that holds the contacts you want to stop syncing. You do this because each account controls its own sync toggles. Once selected, tap Account Sync to reveal individual items like contacts. Turn the Contacts toggle off. This stops future changes from syncing. Make sure to repeat for every Google account on the device if you use more than one. Otherwise, contacts will keep syncing from any active account. Next, stop system-wide automatic sync so apps won't push contacts again. Swipe down to open Quick Settings and look for Sync or Auto Sync data. Toggle it off to pause background syncing for all accounts. You do this because some apps re-enable specific syncs when System Auto Sync runs. Once done, confirm Gmail and Google Contacts aren't syncing by opening each app settings. If you still need email fetch, leave sync on selectively, but make sure Contacts remains disabled in account sync settings. Finish by cleaning local state. Open apps, find contacts or contact storage, and clear cache or data if duplicates or old entries remain. This won't delete Google copies but resets local sync state. If you no longer want syncing ever, remove the Google account entirely from accounts. Doing so stops sync and removes account data locally. If something goes wrong, reboot the phone, then retoggle the contacts sync off again. That usually forces the system to update and resolve lingering sync behavior.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.